Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 to ensure safety during the process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button located just above the handle. Once the canister is free, you can empty the contents into your trash. It's a good idea to clean the canister with a damp cloth to maintain optimal performance. Now, let's move on to changing the filter. The filter is located at the back of the vacuum. To access it, twist the filter counterclockwise and pull it out gently. If you notice any debris, clean it with a soft brush. If your filter is excessively dirty or damaged, replacing it is essential. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation if you're uncertain about the condition of your filter. After you've inspected or replaced the filter, it's time to focus on the trigger mechanism. For this, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the trigger assembly. There are typically 2 screws located on the back of the handle. Once the screws are removed, carefully detach the trigger from the handle. Inspect the trigger for any signs of wear. If it's damaged, we recommend replacing it to ensure your vacuum functions correctly. If you don't have the tools or expertise for this repair, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, to install the new or clean trigger, align it with the handle and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure to tighten these screws firmly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this may damage the plastic. Once the trigger is secured, reinsert the filter by aligning it properly and twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. This ensures it's sealed correctly and won't come loose during operation. Before you power on your Dyson SV14, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry open any additional compartments if necessary, ensuring there's no dust buildup that could affect performance. Now that everything is reassembled and cleaned, plug in your vacuum and test the trigger function to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In summary, changing the filter and trigger on your Dyson SV14 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. Should you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, no calls, no travel, we're here to help with all your vacuum needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.